mountains to the upper 70s across the lower Susquehanna Valley. Normal. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. 30.20. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. The 8 to 14 day outlook from Wednesday, June 7th to This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radio. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. The high temperature, Washington, D.C. sunny 70 will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning. Now, this is the 10 a.m. observation in Washington. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Warning Device for station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties, independent cities, and marine areas in and near the upper Delmarva Peninsula, in Maryland, and the Rundle, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including the adjacent Atlantic coastal waters. In New Jersey, Cumberland and Salem. And in Pennsylvania, Chester. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards for Eastern Shore of Maryland, station WXK 19.